What's going on, you guys? It's Brandon, and today we're gonna do something a bit different. What we're gonna do is a unboxing video of the Elgato. Why? Because I stream. That is true. So we're gonna do an unboxing of it. See how it goes. Right, so as we can see here, we got the actual Elgato itself, which is for the Stream Deck. It's made for streaming, as far as I'm aware. But I haven't read much into it. I thought it'd be cool to buy it, and so I did. So let's see what's inside. So I gotta cut this. I gotta get my knife. Shit! Don't play with knives, kids. It's a bad idea. Right, so you gotta freaking yank it out of that shit. Right. So as you can see, we finally got out the Stream Deck, and the other one's just that. It's covering nothing special. So pie box. So as you can see, we got the Stream Deck here. It's actually pretty small. Just pop it without breaking it. Oh, it's one thing. Okay. So first of all, look at this. Stream Deck, quick start guide, blah, store for stuff. Alright, cool, that's great. Thanks Elgato. 10 out of 10 IGN. So this is the actual unit itself. If you go to the back, so Elgato systems, serial number, nothing special. The material, I feel like it's plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. It's a nice feeling plastic. The actual buttons themselves, oh, they're okay. They're a little bit softer than I thought, but no, they're still cool. So yeah, you connect it by a cable. I'm pretty sure it's just USB 3 to USB. Yeah, it's a standard USB port. So let's plug it in. Oh my god. You guys got to see it before I did. So that's the good old Elgato symbol on the weapon tray. Yeah, it does nothing. I got to install the software. Right, so as you guys can see, I'm actually installing the software itself. Just give me a moment to do this. Alrighty, so as we can see, that's the actual software itself. And we'll jump onto the computer when we'll come back down here. Right, so as you guys can see, we are now in here with the Stream Deck. Now I gotta figure out how to set this up. Drag and drop action from right on. Okay, cool. So there's a whole bunch of things we can do here, guys. It's amazing. So as you guys can see, I've had a whole bunch of things, and I'll show this on my other webcam too. And I'm pretty sure with Valve College you can change it, but I'll figure all that out later. But now there's a whole bunch of things you can do. Like I can mute my microphone. As you can see, I'm not talking. Now I'm talking, not talking. See, it works. And I can switch scenes with buttons. It's amazing. I can start stream. And yes, I know this spelled wrong. It's that way on purpose, but there's tons of features I can add. So as you guys can see, I got everything set up here. I just finished that recording that you just saw. But no, it's so cool. I mean, like, for example, this one here, this one's a microphone, right? And as you can see, it's lit up. If you press it, microphone's off, microphone's on. That's the one scene, another scene, another scene, another scene. It's amazing. And there's a whole bunch of other things you can do. But it's awesome. If you like this sort of unbox, quick overview type thing, make sure you give this like I know it's a bit different to what I usually do, but I just felt like putting it out there, even though it's my first unboxing. But I'm gonna stop blabbering. Just quickly before I end this video, I saw this too. It was a little case. I didn't even notice it before. I just found it in the box. But no, that's cool. Doesn't really just does that. That's it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Leave a like, subscribe, follow my Instagram and my Twitch if you're into Twitch. That'd be cool. Subscribe. And see you then.